Welcome to Learning Fun with Tails. Are you ready? Let's go. Question 1. What is 3 times 12? $36. Question 2. What is 4 times 11? $44. Question 3. What is 2 times 17? $34. Question 4. What is 5 times 13? $65. Question 5. What is 6 times 15? $90. Question 6. What is 3 times 14? $42. Question 7. What is 7 times 12? $84. Question 8. What is 8 times 11? $88. Question 9. What is 2 times 19? $38. Question 10. What is 9 times 13? $117. Question 11. What is 6 times 16? $96. Question 12. What is 4 times 18? $72. Question 13. What is 3 times 17? $51. Question 14. What is 5 times 14? $70. Question 15. What is 7 times 10? $70. Question 16. What is 2 times 16? $32. Question 17. What is 9 times 12? $108. Question 18. What is 8 times 14? $112. Question 19. What is 6 times 13? $78. Question 20. What is 7 times 11? $77. Question 21. What is 3 times 19? $57. Question 22. What is 4 times 15? $60. Question 23. What is 5 times 16? $80. Question 24. What is 6 times 14? $84. Question 25. What is 2 times 18? $36. Question 26. What is 9 times 11? $99. Question 27. What is 3 times 18? $54. Question 28. What is 8 times 13? $104. Question 29. What is 7 times 14? $98. Question 30. What is 4 times 17? $68.